I don't show a sign, I'm leaving my love blind, expecting you to read my mind.